Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do our new Oxford Modern English Reader, page number 12. Before starting our lesson, let's sing a phonics song with me.
Ants on the apple, balls are bouncing, caterpillar coughing, dolls are dancing, elegant elephant, fireflies flying, girls are giggling,
Wow! Clap for yourself. Hope you enjoy the phonics song with me. Let's start our lesson. Do you remember which alphabet is this? Yes, it is A. Now repeat with me. A apple, A aeroplane, A ant. Which alphabet is this? Yes, it is B. B ball, B bag, B book. Today we learn the new alphabet, which is C, and the sound of C is K. C, K. Okay, now we see the words that start with the alphabet C. Do you know which animal is this? Yes, it is a beautiful sea cat. And what is the sound it makes? Meow. Yes, it is cat. The next is coat. Sea coat. It makes a swarm. Sea cow. Cow gives us milk and makes us healthy. Which bird is this? Yes, it is a crow. C crow. Wow, it is a clock. We have clock in our home and in our classes too. Wow, what is this? Yes, it is a coin. C coin. There are so many other words which start with the alphabet C. Just like C car, C caterpillar, C cake, C cot. Okay students, now we learn how to write C in 4 lines. As you know that C, capital C always come in the 3 lines, upper 3 lines. So let's start. Start from the first line. Make a half circle in 3 lines and then turn a little bit. That is how we write the capital C. The small c is the grass letter, so it comes in the middle 2 lines. We write it just like the capital C, but it comes in the middle 2 lines. Now start writing how we write it. Start from the second line. Make a small curve, a half circle, and when it touches the third line, make it a small curve. That is how we write small c. Let's see. Start from the second line, make a half circle, when it touches the third line, turn it. And that is how we write C. And these are the vocabulary again for the C car, C caterpillar, C cat, and C cup. Now practice the work in your workbook and write capital C and small c. Okay. We learn so many words that start with the letter C, and we learn how to write C in 4 lines. Now learn new words that start with the letter C and do practice of writing C in the 4 lines. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.